Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today we'll be talking about GBP USD pair and we'll do the Forex analysis for 5th to 9th January 2026. So let's go straight to a chart. So here, first let's see what happened in GBP USD on Friday. So as you can see, 0.14% negative move, 1.34528 was the closing on Friday. So here now I'll be talking about what are my expectations for this week, and also I'll be marking some important support zone and resistance zone that will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias. And also I'll be sharing my opinion on what will happen in coming week according to my analysis and previous week movement. So let's check a weekly chart first over here. So let's open a weekly chart here. So here, this is a weekly chart. In this weekly chart, you can see a bearish candle with a small body and a big lower and upper wick. Currently, if I talk about stochastic RSI is around 81-91 levels, which is around a overbought area, which is indicating as a negative move. But remember, as we always say, we should not look for only RSI or other indicators. We should also look for other factors which moves the pair, like any news or important events, and then make a decision according to that data. So now let's mark some important support zone and resistance zone on a one-day chart. So here, this is a one-day chart. Currently, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos that I upload on my channel. Currently, important support zone and resistance zones are already marked, so we don't need to mark any new levels. So let's straight away talk about the closing. So here, 1.34528 is the closing. Here the direct support is 1.34482 and direct resistance at 1.34667. After direct support, there is a support of 1.34312 and then 1.34057. After direct resistance, there is a resistance of 1.34963 and then 1.35159. So these are two important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias. Currently, if you're from India and thinking that how can I trade Forex market from India, then I've already shared prop firm links in the description. You can open your account from there and get funded. Everything is available on my Forex playlist. Do consider checking that out as well. Also, if you don't know what is funded account or prop firm, I've already made a dedicated video on what is prop firm, how it works, and what are the rules you have to follow to get funding. Everything is available on my Forex playlist. Do check that out as well. Also, I have shared a discount coupon code which will help you to take better discounts on any challenges that you buy from the prop firm. So currently, my expectation for this week in GBP USD is a bit negative according to previous week momentum. I am expecting a negative closing in this range, that is 1.34312 to 1.34482. So I'm expecting a negative closing in this range. If you're going for any long trade, then only go for a long trade once 1.34667 gets breached and a 4-hour or a one-day candle gets closed above this, then you can go for a long till 1.35963. Overall, my expectation is a bit negative. If the level gets breached, then you can go for a long, but remember, you should look for closing candle only, then go for a long or a short trade. Overall, my expectation is a bit negative. What are your expectations? Do let me in the comment section. If you did like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.